Good morning. It's my last full day here. We're gonna go do a photo shoot, 90s, 2000s cholo theme. So I had Kim, she did her makeup all chola'd out.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not gonna wear this in the shoot, but she's just gonna take this off. It's like, well, we're gonna have what, two different outfits, kind of.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's here in Manila. What time is it? It's 8:36. Our appointment's at 10 a.m. We're waiting for our grab right now. And yeah, should be a fun time. See you guys there.
The address is 395.
It says 395. So we arrived early, so we came to the coffee shop just next door from the studio. We got our drinks. What did you get?
Hot chocolate.
Just the OG hot chocolate. And I got, it's called cookie chip. Tastes very creamy, and I could taste the crumbs. It tastes good. How's the OG chocolate?
It's good, of course. It's chocolate. Tastes like milk chocolate.
It's hot, huh?
Yeah.
A little chola right here.
Hey.
Wow. Okay.
Then I'll explain the So just make sure that both of you or one of you is in the center, facing the camera at all times. So the screen, that's just a basis for the posing, for the angles, for dito talaga tingin sa lens. Sa camera, the only thing na pwede galawin is ito may tape part for the zoom in and out feature. Nakikita lang sa screen kung magalaw yan. So just make sure na ito yung adjust. Okay?
So we just picked out which ones that we want to print out, and then we gotta do payment, and then we'll be out. Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Do the both of you have Instagram so we can tag you?
Yeah.
You can Facebook over here.
Thanks again. Now you know what they mean when they call you Chola?
Yeah, now I know. Now I know.
Alright. Bye. See you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
See, that was fun.
Very cool place. They only charge 400 pesos for all that.
No, total of 800.
Oh, 800.
Yeah, we got 123 photos for 800. Then we got 4 pieces of prints.
Okay, 800 total.